Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Logos with Shopo. Today's topic is iconic logo design part 2. So first of all, I will change its color. So you can see here mm, which color will be the perfect here. I'll change this orange or white. I think this will be the perfect, but I will change here something else. Change here this one. This one will be the also red. Yeah, okay. You can see here how it look like. It look very good. So I will save it here. I will export it as this. Replace it. And today, you know that today's topic is iconic logo design. So I will go to the new file and create a iconic logo. I will take 10 into 10 inch, 10 into 10 inch artboard. So take it. You see here 10 into 10 inch artboard. So I will make a heart shape. Sorry, make a heart shape. Um, make a heart shape, which will be the it will be different from the others. You can see here this is a heart shape, and I will make here another heart shape. So make another heart shape that will be the so you can see here I make something change. I will make change here. Uh, yeah, it's nice. It's nice. but I will change here something. Uh, Here you can see here it's a design and it's a design make here things here. Uh, Sorry, here is a problem. Sorry, it's okay. And I will change its color. This one's color. I will change this one's color. I will make it red, and this one will be pink. This one. Uh, you can see here, make a logo, make a design. You can design here anything which is different but love you. This is the difference here. You can see this is the difference, and this is the nice shape. This is not difference. So here is some difference, but they love each other. This is my this is the topic of my today's class. So in the next class I will show you more things, the typographical logo. So check it out at the channel, watch it. Let's like, share and comment please. Take care. Till then, Allah Hafiz for the next class.